Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another small steering wheel video just to show you. I got these three that I just came in right now from our production team. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the little specs of it on what these ones are, and then I'm going to go ahead and process them and ship them out today. So the first one we're going to start off is with this one that's very unique. So this one right here is forged carbon, black Alcantara, white stitching, LED, no inlay, and then the center trims, which is VZ10 1277 right here, they're in purple carbon fiber. So this one right here is actually pretty like a little nice unique one. Again, I remember mentioning in the last video, I think maybe like the forge and purple is always like a good combination. Probably wish maybe the trims could have been like purple forge if we ever get that available onto the website. Instead of you just attach them so when you guys get them. Yeah, this was the first unique one. Next up, what we got right here is this one's basic, very simple. Again, regular carbon fiber, you got the black leather, you get the white stitching. This is the non-LED, so it has a white 12 o'clock ring right here. So yeah, this one's pretty simple. You know, I usually get a lot of steering wheels like this because, you know, everyone likes simple. It's almost like the default style except with the white stitching and white inlay. Too bad it doesn't have white carbon fiber inlay. Like I said, this was inlay, this is the 12 o'clock ring. So you can see like right there. We got another regular basic carbon fiber in black, white leather, black carbon fiber inlay, black stitching, and then also you can't really see it, but it has the 12 o'clock ring, but it's in black. So you can see it like right there. Very simple. And kind of like how I said, maybe this one would have been cool right here if it had the white carbon fiber inlay, because it would be kind of like a reversal, as you see. So yeah, that would have actually been cool if this one had the white carbon fiber inlay to kind of like be a reverse steering wheel. So yeah. So these three steering wheels again are for all the Dodges, Chargers, Challengers, Durango, Jeep Trackhawks, the Chrysler 300 C, I think I believe it is, the CRDS for the years 2015 and 2023. Again, these is one LED and then two 12 o'clock rings. And again, we do have them in different part numbers, but that's why I just mentioned like what they are. Again, for basically all the Dodges, the Jeep Trackhawk, and the Chrysler 300, 2015 and 2023. Today we got a wide variety of ones that I've never seen, maybe some that we have seen before, and also some new steering wheels that are the very first time that we've ever actually had as an order, and the customizations that came with it, which are pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and start off from left to right. So the first one we're gonna show you right here is one of the regular 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango, the Jeep Trackhawks, and the Chrysler 300 for 2015 and 2023. This is the LED one. As you can see, this one is actually pretty nice. I actually like the combination this one has. It has LED screen, it's in forged carbon, forged inlay, black stitching, it has the forged center trims, and then this one actually has the lime green leather, as you can see like that. Again, this is the lime green leather. So this is the first time I've actually ever seen anything like this before. And I actually think this is actually a pretty good combination, especially with the forged carbon. Next up, we got Corvette C8 steering wheel. This is VZ10 2115. This is the LED version. It's LED screen, black leather, red carbon fiber inlay, red carbon fiber material, and then red stitching. So again, this is a C8. We haven't had any C8s for a while, so it's actually kind of good to see like some new ones coming in. Again, red carbon fiber material, red inlay, red stitching, black leather, and an LED screen. Okay, and then next up is one that I've never had before, or that we probably never showed you here. This is for a Honda Civic, 2022 Honda Civic. As you can see, this one is LED screen as well. It got purple carbon fiber, purple carbon inlay, purple trim, has the purple centerpiece trim, and then with black leather. So again, this is for a Honda Civic. So yeah, so all you Honda lovers, if you guys want one, head over to the website, look it up, start customizing your own. C8 steering wheel again. This one is the default style. So if anyone wants to know what the default looks on a Corvette C8, again, everyone knows what our default look is. Just the regular black carbon fiber, black leather, red carbon inlay, or if you guys don't want the inlay, it's your optional red stitching. And then this one is the LED screen. And if you guys don't want the LED screen as well, it comes with the red 12 o'clock ring, or if you guys don't want the 12 o'clock ring, that's also optional as well. All right, next up, we got the Jeep Wrangler and the Jeep Gladiator. This one right here, forged carbon, red 12 o'clock ring, red Alcantara, black stitching, forged carbon inlay, and then the forged carbon centerpiece, as you can see right there. So this is actually pretty good. A lot of people now, I've been seeing all the orders I've been processing, you guys have been going a lot more with the mattes and the forge. So this is actually pretty sick. So I remember back then a lot of people were just going after just the regular carbon fiber and then also the colored carbons. Hopefully in the future we will have some like colored forge, because I know in the matte as well we could do colors, I think, and probably the honeycomb. Again, another Dodge 2015-2023. This one you can see right here is just the regular black carbon fiber, no LED screen and no 12 o'clock ring, which again, I did mention it is optional. We got the orange leather and then orange stitching. So you can see like right there. So this one's pretty simple. No inlay, no LED, no 12 o'clock ring, just black carbon, orange leather, and orange stitching. Next up, 2013 and up, Dodge Ram 1500. This one right here, LED screen. You can see right there at the top. We got black leather, it's blue carbon, blue centerpiece, blue trim, no inlays though. So again, Dodge Ram 1500, 2013 and up. All right there. We got Ford Mustangs, all you Mustang lovers out there. Now this one is pretty unique. I like this one too. You got the forged carbon, black leather, green carbon fiber inlay, green stitching. You get the forged carbon centerpieces, and then instead of LED, they went with the green 12 o'clock ring. So this combination I actually like very much. This is for 2015 and up Ford Mustangs. Another Dodge, 2015 and 2023s. This one right here, we got the matte carbon, like I did mention. I've been seeing a lot more with the matte carbons in the forge. Matte carbon, black leather, matte carbon inlay, the matte carbon trims, blue trim on the hand grips, and then LED screen. And then if you guys want to know the trim numbers for like that are for the Dodge steering wheels, these ones right here that go in, the part number is VZ10-1277, fully customizable however you guys want it. And now on to the last two, which are two that we've never actually had orders before ever, or that I know of. First one we're gonna show is for Toyota Camrys, 2018 Toyota Camrys. You got LED, black carbon fiber, blue leather, black stitching, black carbon inlay, and then the whole centerpiece is in carbon fiber as well. So this is actually a pretty nice looking one as well. Audi SQ7, this one right here, matte carbon, black leather, black stitching, LED screen, and then you got the carbon fiber and matte carbon centerpiece with the actual Audi logo. Well, not the Audi logo, just for, it has like the little S series symbols right there. So it's either type S, S series, I don't know how it is for Audis. And I actually realized too, like how small Audi steering wheels are compared to the others. So that's all the custom steering wheels that we got here for today. I got them already processed. Now the next thing to go ahead and do, package them up, box them up, and I'm gonna go ship them out. They're gonna go to the rightful owners. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. See you guys on the next steering wheel video. Peace out, guys.